Hey Sam, it's great to see you again. Today, we are learning the word
bisher,
Hi Alex.
bisher,
What does that mean?
bisher,
means so far or up to now in English. It's commonly used when talking about time or experiences.
That sounds interesting. Are there any false friends I should watch out for?
Yes, actually. Some people might confuse it with the English word bisher, which doesn't exist. Just remember, it's all about time and what has happened until now.
Can you tell me more about how to use?
bisher,
In sentences.
Sure. It's an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form. You would use it in sentences like
Ich habe bisher viel gelernt.
which means I have learned a lot so far.
So, it stays the same no matter what.
Exactly. In the past tense, you can say
Ich hatte bisher keine Probleme.
which means I had no problems up to now. And in the perfect tense, you'd say
Ich habe bisher keine Probleme gehabt.
meaning I have had no problems so far.
Oh, I see. What about the imperative form?
Since
Bisher,
is not a verb, there's no imperative form. But it fits nicely with other verbs. For example,
ich habe bisher gewartet.
means I have waited so far.
Where does the word
bisher,
come from?
The word has its roots in Old German. It combines
Bis,
meaning until and
hier,
which can mean here or to this point. So, it literally means until this point.
That's fascinating. It makes sense when you break it down.
Now, let's look at the construction of the word. It's a combination of two parts.
bis,
And
hier,
bis,
Means until and.
hier,
Adds the idea of to this point.
exactly. It's like building with Lego blocks. You take the first piece
bis,
and add the second piece
hier,
to complete the meaning.
That's a cool way to remember it.
Speaking of remembering, let's dive into some similar words. 4.
bis,
You can find,
bislang,
which also means so far, and
bisherige,
meaning previous.
What about other examples?
Sure. 4.
hier,
Think of,
herkommen,
meaning to come here, and
herstellen,
which means to produce.
I see how the prefixes and roots work.
Great. Another example is
herausfinden,
meaning to find out.
So, all these words relate to direction or time.
Exactly. You've got it. Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a meeting and want to say, I have completed my tasks so far. In German, you could start with
Ich habe bisher meine Aufgaben erledigt.
Okay, let me try.
Ich habe bisher
My tasks.
meine Aufgaben erledigt.
perfect. Now, how about if you are at a doctor's appointment and want to say, I have had no issues so far?
Ich habe bisher keine Probleme gehabt.
Exactly. You nailed it. One more, if you were telling a friend about your vacation, you could say,
Ich habe bisher viel Spaß gehabt.
Ich habe bisher viel Spaß gehabt.
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Great job, Sam. Now, let's talk about the gender hints. Since
Bisher.
is an adverb, it doesn't have a gender, but if we think about
Bis.
it's often used with masculine nouns.
So, is there a vivid image I can remember?
Imagine a timeline where you visualize all the things you've done up to now. It's like a journey that you can see. As for usage notes,
Bisher.
is neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts.
Any collocations I should know?
Definitely. You can say phrases like,
Bisherige Erfahrungen.
for previous experiences,
Bisherige Ergebnisse.
for previous results, or
Bisherige Leistungen.
for previous performances.
Got it. Are there any commonly confused words?
Yes, be careful with,
Bis.
which just means until without the context of time. Let's do some example sentences to reinforce everything. For instance, you could say,
Ich habe bisher nichts gehört.
meaning I have heard nothing so far.
Ich habe bisher nichts gehört.
What else?
Another one could be,
Bisher war alles in Ordnung.
which means so far, everything has been fine.
That's useful.
And how about,
Ich habe bisher keinen Kontakt gehabt.
it means I have had no contact up to now.
Wow, I see how it all connects.
Time for a quick recall check. First question, what does
Bisher.
mean?
So far or up to now?
Correct. Second question, can you give an example of a sentence with
Bisher.
Ich habe bisher viel gelernt.
great? Third question, does
Bisher.
have a gender?
No, it doesn't.
Right. Fourth question, what are the two parts of
Bisher.
Bis
And
hier.
perfect? Last question, which tense can you use?
Bisher.
present and past tenses.
Excellent work today, Sam. You've really grasped the word.
Bisher.
Remember, it's all about what you've done up to now.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it in conversations.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving.